Giddy pig action. Giddy pig action, y'all. Y'all, they got a goldfish and stuff. Y'all already know. Goldfish.
They were open.
What? Say what?
That was open.
No, I don't think I want to go over here no more.
What's supposed to be over here?
It is, probably.
It's nothing else up in here.
Oh, well, I guess it lost weight and then it lost too much weight. Hold on. I definitely got to get... Excuse me, Mom. Rashad, here goes side head turtle. Look at that. That was a beauty one.
Look at the snake.
Look, Pepper, that thing is alive. And Pepper, look.
Dead.
Look at that. Look at that. It's a banana snake. I like a banana.
It's dead. It's
How?
not alive.
How?
That thing
Pepper,
is safe.
I just saw the head, Pepper. The head just moved. It was all the way under there. That thing is alive.
That thing is dead.
Bro, I swear that thing alive. I sure do. Pepper, it's a ball python in here. Bone shit.
Because there is no snake. That is fake.
How is that fake?
Fake.
Hey, go ask somebody at the pet mall. Go ask that lady over there.
Shut up right in things. It's not even moving. That's what snakes do.
Lazy.
So what is this? Oh, that's a
Turtle.
That's a little.
Look at the little turtle.
Look at him. He's so cute.
If he slap at you, don't say that.
And Pepper, it's supposed to be something
Oh,
up
a
in there.
chameleon.
Oh, man.
It's blending in. I think it's blending in somewhere. Oh, I see it, Pepper. Look, it's a different color. You see that?
Oh, Mom, we gonna come in. It's right there in the back.
And Pepper, look, that thing is so scary. Hold on, them things too skinny. Look at that one right there, and that one all the way back there, and it changed colors. And look at that. That thing is so slithery. Yeah, literally.
I didn't see it.
I can't see.
Here, you want to see? Yeah.
There he go. Where he is?
Pepper, there you go. Look, they go to dragon. It's all the way back there.
I don't see. Oh, I see.
No, all the way back.
Parrots. Parrots.
Come on, Raymond. Okay.
Oh, that's for the what you call it, aquarium stuff.
I want to kill y'all.
Oh, look at these fishies. 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 Huh? You know you scared. You was scared of a python. I know I am, but so you gonna say that fake? Hold on, they go through loop.
They go through the little small things. They about to fit through them. Oh, he goes to the bathroom.
Oh, I'm scary.
Look, touch it. Tell her.
I can't see, guys.
My grandma got a cat just like that. It's always calling on her car. I ain't using the bathroom. Let me get you. Pepper, please don't touch the glass. Please don't. Alright, let go.
I want to see him. Oh, but I really want to see him.
Mom, I got everything on record.